Are we on?
On YouTube, yeah.
I can't see it. Y'all need to let me know because I'm seeing a line going. So
Okay.
thanks.
And Alexis, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Pat, who we got now that we need to deal with? Have we got Ben Doherty with us?
You're on mute.
I'm looking for you. Ben, are you with us? I'm sorry, I can't see you. Adam Cobb's with us?
I'm here, Judge.
And bear with me, guys, I'm having a hard time hearing. Adam, did you say you are here?
Yes, in mind and spirit.
All right, thanks. This is cause 6477723, State of Texas versus Jessica Reen Hampton. Have you had a chance to confer with the state on this case yet?
I have, Judge, and Ms. Hampton is present. I have conferred with Alexis, and we're not able to work it out at this time.
Okay, how about we just set you for a jury trial and give you time to figure it out? Will that work?
Yes, Judge.
That's going to be like an August setting, probably, plus or minus. So if you want something to do before then, we're happy to hear it, and otherwise we'll see you in August. Pat, is that more or less accurate? I can't hear you, Pat.
You're on mute.
Yes, Your Honor. It'll be in August.
Adam, Pat will send you all a setting. It's going to be plus or minus August 21.
Okay, sounds good, Judge.
Right. Do you have any other cases with us today?
I do not. May Miss Hampton and I be excused?
You bet. Thanks so much.
Thanks.
Your Honor, we have Abelardo Garza, and we also have Jonathan.
I've got Abelardo. Let's see. I've got 653100 State of Texas versus Christian Preston. Abelardo, are you with us?
I'm present, Judge.
I assume you were in contact with your client, correct?
He's on right now, Judge.
Oh, wonderful. Have you had a chance to confer with the state on this case yet?
I have, Your Honor, and he's willing to take the offer. I don't remember if we did the paperwork already, Pat.
No, sir. What we'll do is it will be set for the 18th at
Okay.
2 o'clock. And I will send the paperwork, but I do need your client's email address so that I can send the paperwork to you.
Okay,
Just email me.
you want me to chat it to you right now, or?
Email me would be easier.
Okay, Pat, I'll
Thank
email
you.
it to you.
All righty. And I'll send you the Zoom link where I'm going to be creating that right after the docket will be
Okay.
included.
Sounds good.
So thanks,
All
Eddie.
right.
Get out of here.
Thank
Appreciate it.
you.
Okay, Judge, may we be excused? Chris, you can leave, Chris. I'll talk to you later.
Lewis, we still got something to deal with you.
Judge, I've conferred on 2 matters. One was on your docket, one's not.
Okay.
The matter on your docket, if we could get a reset for me to check with Mr. Hinnant to see what he wants to do.
Okay. So we'll see you next week, same time, same place, unless you figure out before then what you want to do and let Pat know.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks, Lewis.
Mr. O'Donnell is here and Mr. Ross is here. Jonathan Ross, Your Honor.
Brian, I got clause 652913, State of Texas versus McLeod, Gervais, Gley, Gleye. I assume you're in contact with your client, is that correct, Brian?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
And have you had a chance to confer with the state yet?
I have, Judge. We have an offer. At the same time, we learned today that there's another case at the intake level.
What level, I'm sorry?
There's an intake case, possible evading.
Felony or misdemeanor?
I believe it to be misdemeanor based on the videos I saw.
Okay, well, let's talk about this case, and then when the new case comes, we'll talk about the new case. Have they given you an offer on this case?
Yes, Judge.
State, do you know anything about this new case coming down?
No, I don't, Judge.
Brian,
I believe Nicholas sent me the email just a half hour ago, so Nicholas might know.
Nick, do you know about any new case on Mr. Gley, Gleye?
Yes, Judge.
What is it?
I believe. Hold on. Okay, we're good. I believe it's an evading, correct, Mr. O'Donnell? That's what I told you.
That's my understanding, but the question would be, is it going to be a misdemeanor or felony?
I think it's 1 second. What, do you have the cause number on him again, real quick?
652.
652913 for the failure to stop.
Okay, that's perfect. I can run with that. 'Cause that's out of our court, and then the DWI is out of. Oh, it's been taken care of. Never mind. No, it's going to be a Class B or a Class A.
When will the information be filed on the new case?
I'm not sure, Judge. I mean, I can look into it and do it right now. I'm not sure exactly where the file is. I could do it myself, but I'm not sure who's.
You want to just reset Brian for a week to give everybody time to get the cards on the table? Because I'm sure Brian would like to resolve both of them if he can.
Absolutely. Thank you, Judge.
Let's just take a week and give the state time to figure it out, and then Brian, you can get with them, and if y'all can work something out, great. If not, we'll go from there.
Very well. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mary's back. Oh, Mary was, let's see. Mary, you with us today?
I'm with you, Judge.
I got 64882, State of Texas versus Jessica Ann Little. A, are you in contact with your client?
Yes, Judge, I am.
B, has the state given you an offer on this case yet?
Not yet, Judge.
State, would you please orally tender your offer to Inspector Zek for Miss Little, and then we'll give them a week to figure it out.
It's gonna be 6/12, $400 fine, court costs, 48 hours community service, DWI Education, DIP, CatSnip, and Smart Start Mobile for half the term.
You said CatSnip?
Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, same time, same station next week. If you figure out what you want to do before,
Honor,
go back.
she has a David Herrera. It is on the last page. I believe it's a VTC. I don't know what happened with it.
Mary's case?
Yes.
Last page.
I got cause 640828, State of Texas versus David Herrera. It's a DWI greater than 1.5, and he's a veteran in capacity. Has he been interviewed by the VTC yet?
Yes, he has, Your Honor. We've spoken about this vet the last two dockets. I don't know if there's a disconnect somewhere or not. He has the application, but he's every email that I've sent him, he hasn't responded. So I don't know if there's issues filling out the application, getting the application, or where he stands, or if he's even interested. But he's had the application for a while, and it has exceeded you have until X date to return the application. So I'm not sure where he stands anymore, Your Honor.
You know if he went to the war?
Don't have his application back to verify, Your Honor, but from the notes that I'm looking at, it doesn't appear so, but he could put something different on his application.
Judge, I know that he really wants to be a part of this program. He had originally contacted me in wanting to transfer this case to Veterans Court specifically for the program. If the court wouldn't mind giving me the opportunity to maybe go over it with him, I think he might be a Marine, and so I want to try to help him out there.
You know, Chris is a Marine.
I wish you wouldn't have said that, ma'am. Now I gotta.
Well played. Greg. Well. Hey, let's take another week, Mary, and to get him in contact.
Will do. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
You betcha.
Thanks.
Okay, Mr. Ross is here. Mr.
Ben Doherty here.
Hartley is here.
Stand by. Cause 646730, State of Texas versus Stephanie Lopez. And Ben Doherty's with us. Ben, are you in contact with your client?
I am, Judge.
And has the state given you an offer yet?
They did at the last setting. I'm not in a position to really consider the offer yet for two reasons. One, I don't have a complete evidence file. And two, I have been informed that a second warrant has been issued for my client.
It is an at-large.
And it's a separate
case or the same case?
I don't remember, Your Honor. I can look at it real quick and find out. Hold on.
Well, I'm going to suggest we just set this for a jury trial to let all the dust settle. And in the next month or so, probably, the jury trial is finished due to August. So that'll have time for whatever new cases to surface. And if you can resolve them before then, that's great. And if you can't, then you got a jury process. Will that work?
Yes. If there is a second warrant for her, could I maybe bring her before the court and have bond set?
Send me a text message. You got my cell number. I'm not going to announce it on the on YouTube, but if you
I do not have your cell phone number.
I'll get my,
I can get it to you.
and just text me I need the name of your client and if you have SID or a case number and what the situation is, and I'll look at it and call you back.
Well, I appreciate that. I don't think I've ever had a judge give me a cell phone number before.
The only way to get it
In
done.
this court.
Okay, that sounds like a plan.
All right. Thanks, Ben.
Thank you, Judge.
Hi, Ms. Benavides.
Mr. Charles, I know
Hi.
Judge, he is here on. No, I put you on here, Mr. Chavez. Okay, it's on page 3, cause number 653313, Esperilla Castillo.
Daniel Esperilla Castillo.
There you
It's
go.
a
You say it much better.
It's a DWI, Your Honor. I just got retained this morning around 8:30. So obviously I don't have any discovery yet. I'd just like to reset. I am in the middle of a trial in children's court right now. I asked the judge to give me 10 minutes just to check in with this court so I could let the court know what the situation is.
I'm not finding the case, Pat. Is it on today's docket?
Yes, Your Honor. Page 3, the third to the last. Code number 65313.
Oh, the one that says Charles Mice is the attorney?
Yes, because Mr. Charas was hired this morning.
Have you been in contact with Mr. Espriella Castillo?
Yes, Your Honor. He came into the office this morning.
All right. Have you received an offer on this case yet?
I haven't, Your Honor. This morning I emailed one of your prosecutors just to, confer about that, but I haven't gotten an email back.
All right, with your permission, let's let them orally just whip out an offer for you. Then I'm going to reset you for a week. Let you get back to your other trial. And then you can discuss it with your client and the DA again in the next week or so. Is that okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, go ahead.
1 second, Judge. We're looking for it.
6533313 looks like.
I believe he said he had an offer, Your Honor.
Oh, he did. You already have an offer?
No, Your Honor. I just got on the case today, so I don't have an offer yet.
Oh, okay.
I sent an email to the, not to Miss O'Connor, but to the other DA, Mahone or something.
Maru?
Yeah, and I haven't heard back, so I hadn't. I checked my email before I got on Zoom right now.
Bear with me for a few seconds. We'll get you an offer, and then I'll get you some time, and you can get back to the other trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then, John, you're on deck.
Okay, we found it, Judge. It's going to be 6/12, $400 fine, court costs, 36 hours community service, DWI education, DIP, CATSNP, Smart Start Mobile for half the term, and we just requested all the videos today.
Got it, Albert?
6/12, $400 fine, court costs, 36 hours community service, DWI education, DIP, ignition interlock for half the term, and I missed part of it.
It's CATSNP and not ignition interlock.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is it?
I mean, Smart Start Mobile, not ignition interlock.
Okay. That's a new one on me. What is it called?
Smart Start Mobile. It's like a portable breathalyzer.
Okay. Okay. I've got it, Your Honor.
All right, you're out of here. Thank you. We're going to send you a notice. We'll see you next week. You can tell us what you want to do.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, John, you with us again. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Let me find here real quick.
Got Mr. Jose Villarreal, 653153.
Got him. Exactly. And have you received an offer from the state yet?
We have, and I've been in contact with my client, but we'd like to put that on the trial docket, Your Honor.
Great. Reset them for jury trial, and we'll see you in August.
All right.
I'll send you the reset.
All right. Thanks very much, Pat. Y'all have a good one.
Bye. Okay, we have Ms. Valenzuela, we have Tony Hernandez, and we also have Gabe Hernandez, Your Honor.
This case, hang on. Catherine's name on our docket, or is she here for someone?
Ms. Venezuela is on 653011. It is Miguel Angel Perales.
From last week, Your Honor, I've conferred with the state. They've offered pretrial diversion. We're turning in our application this afternoon.
Wonderful.
And I apologize, is last name Vidalis of the defendant?
Perales.
Perales.
Okay, once again, I'm having a hard time hearing. Say again.
Perales, Perales.
Got him. Thank you. Okay, thanks so much. You're out of here.
Okay, and Pat, I'll just get a reset from you.
Yeah, I'll send you a reset and hoping we get the dismissal real quick. If they're accepted.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
And Tony, I've got you for Stella Fuertes, 641583, correct?
No.
Jose David de la Cruz, Judge.
Is that yours, Stella Fuertes?
No, Judge. Jose David de la Cruz is mine.
Let's try again. Got him. Jose David de la Cruz, 640618. And are you in contact with your client?
Oh, yes, Judge.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
No, Judge. It was reset because of discovery issues. The discovery uploaded to the system isn't consistent with the report.
What are you missing from discovery?
The initial police report, initial videos, pretty much everything that shows the actual offense.
Hey, didn't that stuff you already have posted online for him or not?
Judge, I requested everything on January 25th. I can see what the holdup is.
Let's do this, because I don't know how long it's going to take him to do this. Let's just set it for a jury trial, and if you get something worked out before then, wonderful. And if not, we'll see you in August. Will that work for you guys, Tony?
That's fine with me, Judge.
I mean, if they haven't got you your stuff within like 10 days, let Pat know, and we'll talk to the state. The state, the state will either find it or it doesn't exist. One of those kind of things, and then you can do what you got to do.
That'll work.
All right, state, okay with you?
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's do that. Reset Tony for a jury trial, and we hope that we don't get that far.
Thank you, Judge.
You bet.
Thank you, Pat.
And what else we got here, Pat?
Your Honor, we've got Hernandez for Stella Fuertes.
Is that a defendant or an attorney?
Mr. Hernandez is the attorney. The defendant.
Oh, I got you. This is Stella Fuertes. This is 641583. And Tony, what are we doing on Miss Fuertes? I assume you're in contact with her?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Gabe Hernandez. I'm from Travis County, Texas, and I'm in contact with my client, Ms. Fuertes, Your Honor.
Okay. And have you received an offer from the state yet?
Not yet, Judge.
State, would you orally go ahead and tender an offer to the defense counsel, and then we'll reset this again if we need to, and or whatever needs to be done. But he can't educatively talk to his defendant without having an offer to talk about.
And Your Honor, I just applied for e-access to discovery, so I imagine I'll get that in the next few days.
Okay. State, do you have an offer on Ms. Fuertes?
Yes, Judge. Have you spoken? Because you know she has 2 cases, correct, sir? Sir?
Mr. Hernandez.
I think we lost him.
Yeah.
Lost in the Bermuda Triangle of Zoom.
I know. Mr. Hernandez?
Judge, I think the issue we're running into is a lot of these, we start these arraignments and people are appointed and then they go and retain counsel, and the appointed counsel never relays the offer that was given or any information or anything. So we've worked out some of these, and then they get new attorneys and the attorneys are like, oh, well, we never heard anything.
Yes, he is newly retained.
Okay, everybody stop talking, please. Gabe, can you hear me?
I think he can come back, Your Honor. He probably had to get off and then sign back in.
Okay. Well, who is Gabe compared to Tony?
This is an attorney in another county, in Travis County, Your Honor. His name is John Gabriel Hernandez.
And does he represent Ms. Fuertes?
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Yes. And he has a Ms. Fuertes has a domestic violence, is that correct? Family violence?
She's
Case,
an ABI.
an ABI. But it's not in our court, it's in,
No, and that's the agreement that we've been working out with the past attorney was she was gonna take a plea on the ABI.
okay. All right, here he comes.
You're back.
Okay.
Sorry, I got kicked out, Judge.
That's okay.
The state does that on purpose, just to bother people. I think. Okay, have you received an offer on this case yet from the state?
Not yet, Judge.
State, if you could, go ahead and tender your offer, and then we'll reset for some other time.
So, sir, are you aware that she has an ABI out of another court?
I am.
Okay, so the agreement was set with her past attorney, I guess, before she reached out to you and retained you, was that we were gonna TIC, we're gonna take into consideration our theft case pending that ABI. Now, if she decides she wants to go to trial on that ABI, then we can handle the ABI separately. But I wasn't sure if you've been relayed. There have been multiple offers given to the past attorney, and I'm not sure if you've been given any, and they're all in an email thread. So if you give me your email, I can just shoot you the email.
And Nick, I emailed you earlier about this case, so you should have it. It's
Did I
at
respond
Austin
back?
JGH Law. Yeah,
Did I respond back to you?
you did.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. So you were having issues with getting discovery here. Do you have access to the e-discovery?
I just registered this afternoon, and it didn't accept me, and I contacted the help desk, and they opened a ticket, so it should be resolved shortly, I'd imagine.
Okay, so everything's uploaded up there, and as I said in my email, if there's something you're missing, if you just let me know, I'll request it and have it uploaded up on there for you. But
Okay.
from what you spoke to your client, does she want to just go to trial on the ABI and take a plea on the theft, or?
I get the feeling that she doesn't want to plead to the assault, and she just wants to take care of the theft separately.
Okay, well, all right, that shouldn't be an issue. So give me 1 second.
641-583.
All right, you ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, what we're gonna do is, it's gonna be 1/1, a $400 fine, court costs, 36 hours of community service, an ATSE, which is an anti-theft course, and restitution, if any, to Marty Trahan, I believe was the victim's name.
Okay. Is that pretty much a standard probation offer?
It's a standard probation officer, yes, sir.
Okay. Fair enough. Thank you. Judge, you just give me a week to review discovery, and I'll have this in by next week for you.
He must have stepped away, but normally what we've been setting is for the next docket, which would be February 16th. That would give you time.
That's perfect. Thank you, Pat.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I've got a few that did not show, and I'm gonna see if judge wants to issue warrants on some of these. These are old cases that we had. And are you, Nick, are you going someplace?
What's up?
Are you going up? I need to talk to y'all about the vacation. I've already got it done.
We're on YouTube. You still want to